Today we're talking about what we call ambiguous vowel. And in some circles, some people might consider these diphthongs as well, but I'm going to consider them ambiguous. All right. So we have AW, AU, and AUGH, as well as AL and A double L. All right. They all make an aw sound. All right, aw. So, for instance, the word saw, okay, draw, make the aw sound. Right. So if you notice AU here, we have AW. So when do you think we use which one? AW is typically at the end of a word. AU is typically in the middle of a word. All right. So one syllable: sauce, vault, launch. Make an aw sound. So, all right. And like I said, some people consider these diphthongs as well. And then AUGH. The best way to learn these is sight word practice. Caught. You hear that t at the end? That's normally the way that you can help, say, students. Right? Daughter. Okay, so be careful with that. So you hear that T? That's when you can say, oh, we use AUGH because we have that T. Okay. So you do need to be careful with this because this is definitely regional. So for instance, this word. Right. So I'm from the Midwest, so I say lawyer, but I actually taught in the South, and they say lawyer. So you have to be careful there. So there's different. I had to have my students write this word, and I had to make sure I was saying it with the Southern way, lawyer, not lawyer. So AW can be aw. They're going to these, they also make the same sound. We have salt, right? Okay, so if you notice, so what do you think the rule is? When you hear the all sound at the very end of a word, it's typically double L. When you hear all in the middle of a word, it's typically just one L. So salt, chalk, all right. So it's like all, and it's like I'm saying that, all, right? So you have salt, chalk, all right, small, small. So all of these are what we can consider ambiguous vowel, and I teach all of these to my students to make sure they can understand when to use which one. All right, so once again, these are at the end of a word, hence the double L. So there's that one.